The density here is intense, scanning for anomalies. There, that structure, unusual patterns approaching. Potential detection area ahead, moving in. There it is, the abandoned jet. Definitely abandoned, approaching to verify. Registration visible, it's N456AZ. Fuselage shows extensive corrosion. Broken panel here, exposing the frame. Structural cracks in the wing root, documenting the full extent of the damage. This cabin is in rough shape, dust and debris everywhere. These seats are torn, foam exposed, wiring is frayed and cut, electrical hazard. The grimy button stuck, this jet needs major repairs. Base, this is Explorer. Aircraft that down in the jungle at Toronto Hortford. The 56 and 8 section of Reds. The common is secure superior needs up. Signal locked. Coordinates confirmed.
Copy that. Team, load up. Helicopters prepping.
Helicopters go. Launch in now.
We need this LZ ready now. Chop fast. On it. Calling branches. Clear the ace pad. Almost through. Kilo inbound. Over here. The jet's this way. Copy that. We're coming in. Thank God. The undercarriage is damaged. Okay, let's get the gear out and assess. Axe and shovel right here.
Initial inspection confirms fuselage identity. This rusted panel is our
Perfects are consistent with records.
Good. Now for these lower cracks. They're unchanged. This is the exact inspection point.
Focus on the grime. Leave the original damage and rust.
Understood. Scrubbing the dirt.
Spraying this section. The wear stays visible. Looks clean. Original wear is intact. All right, bolts are clear. Ready to hoist? Copy that. Lowering engine 1 now. Engines are out. Wings and structure are unchanged. Crack detected here, initiating weld. Weld complete, applying reinforcing plate now. We're replacing this damaged panel to match the original design specs. The new part matches perfectly. Now, securing it with rivets. All right, starting with a good scrub to get this carbon off. Now a spray of degreaser to break down the oil, a final wipe, and it's clean, ready for inspection. Starting removal of the old electrical system. These wires are brittle, cutting them now. Bundling the removed wires for disposal. Okay, first plank is down. Looks good. I'll get the next one. Perfect, slide it in. Coming right over. This engine hasn't run in years. Let's get this housing cleaned up. The corrosion is thick. I'll get the wire brush. Good. Scrape off that oil residue. We need this part spotless. All right, start with the overheads. Let's clear all this old wiring. Copy that. Panels are corroded, but I'm on it. Good. Pile the removed bundles over there. This section is clear now. Let's get this new wiring secured. Strip the insulation cleanly. Connecting the junction box now. Ceiling lights are next.
Let's start by measuring the main fuselage length. Got it. This gives us space for the living area. And the height here works for a master suite. Perfect. Now let's sketch the kitchenette on the plans. Okay, let's get this insulation up. Hand me the vapor barrier. Got it. This will really cut down on the noise. Definitely. It's already feeling more solid. Yeah, this is going to be a game changer. This base is solid, ready for the luxury layers. Good. Let's keep the alignment tight. Next panel coming in. Perfect. This will hold any finish. This panel lines up perfectly with the fuselage curve. Holding it steady, ready for the drill. Securing now. Looks great. Starting the LED install, this will brighten the whole cabin. Activation successful. The lighting is transforming this space. This panel was completely corroded. We're rewiring the entire system.
I'll calibrate the new digital displays now.
Good. Test the navigation interface. The old systems are finally being replaced with these new digital upgrades. Powering up the primary flight display now, navigation is synced and operational. Years of abandonment end as the jet structure is reborn. Every component is meticulously fitted to its original place. New luxury features integrate seamlessly with the luxury mansion. This abandoned private jet has been transformed into a luxury mansion. Here, electrical, mechanical, and control systems are seamlessly integrated, operates as a fully functional, modern home. We're ensuring the flow is uninterrupted from the tank. Lines are aligned and secure. Good. Now check for leaks. Looks solid. This will keep our mansion powered. All right, let's start the structural check. Copy that. Systems are stable so far. Good. Let's finish up and sign off.